Okay, so you're looking at suing an abusive debt collector under the FDCPA, the Fair Debt Collection Practices Act, and you've run across this idea of compensatory damages or actual damages. So what in the world is this? Well, compensatory, actual, it's all the same thing. Those are the damages that are to compensate you for your loss. Now, it could be a variety of losses. So you have a debt collector that's threatening you, harassing you, calling you at all hours, cussing you out. Obviously, it's going to be a lot of emotional stress and mental anguish over that. You can be compensated for that. It could be economic loss. So I'm at work, a collector's calling me at work. I go, look, I can't get these calls at work. They go, good. And they keep calling me and I get fired. And now I'm out of a paycheck. Well, now I've got economic loss. Okay, here's how much I was making. Here's how much I'm making now. What's that difference? Okay, it could be more economic loss from false credit reporting. So a typical situation, debt collector will put some bogus medical bill on your credit report, drives your score down. Right as you apply for a loan, they know it's bogus, but they do it anyway. And so now you're paying an extra 3 percentage points on your car loan. Well, what's the difference between that? That's the economic loss. And so typically we're looking at mental anguish and economic loss in cases against an abusive debt collector. And the whole concept is, here's where you were right before that debt collector violated the law. Afterwards, you've been down here. Well, that difference or that gap is the amount of damages. So how long does it last? How severe is it? These are all things a jury has to look at. But never overlook compensatory damages when you're suing an abusive debt collector. A lot of people just talk about statutory damages, and we cover that in another video. That's up to $1,000. And even a lot of lawyers tell clients, all you can get when you sue an abusive debt collector is $1,000. Absolutely wrong. If you have compensatory or actual damages, you can get those. And as I look back on our verdicts against abusive debt collectors, we've received compensatory damage awards of 6 figures. And so these are real damages. I'm not saying every case is that big, and certainly most cases settle for a lot less than that, but that shows you the potential. And so never overlook compensatory damages. And as you're thinking about, okay, I've been dealing with this abusive debt collector. They've been calling my neighbors, my family, the preacher, co-workers, whoever they're calling. You think about, how has this harmed me? Emotionally, mentally, economically, what are all the harms or the damages I've suffered? Because we need to talk about that when we're talking about how to compensate you compensatory damages. So I hope this is helpful. If you live in Alabama and you are interested in knowing more about this, just give us a call, 205-879-2447, or you can reach us at alabamaconsumer.com. Appreciate you watching this video. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.